Here, buddy, I want to tell you about my new half horsepower sump pump. As you can see, it's got a built-in carry handle. It's going to have a long 25-foot cord. This one's going to have the capability of moving 2,200 gallons of water per hour. So whether you need to drain a little water from your pool or a hot tub, or you're dealing with some basement flooding, this is a great thing to have around the house. And also what's a bonus with this one that I really like is it's going to be able to also pump dirty water. So if you're going to have a low spot in your yard after a heavy rainfall, you can just use one of the nozzles here and hook up the garden hose and just get it out of that area. So great thing to have around the house. So let me bring you closer and show you some up close details, and then we'll start it up and I'll show you how it works. All right, you're going to have simple accessories. Got you a couple of washers, some Teflon tape if you need it, and you're going to get two nozzles, a 1/2 inch and a 3/4 inch. Okay, so on your pump itself, you're going to have solid steel housing. It's going to have a built-in overload protector to prevent from overheating. It's going to have a low noise design. Here's the bottom where you see the suction here. So it's going to drain down to 1/5 of an inch of water. So once it's down, it will continue to run, but there won't be any suction once the water gets that low. So let's hook it up and see how it works. All right, let's try this out. Look at that. Let me set it up on the steps there. Whoa. Look at that. That's some power. All right. Got it hooked up here. Bucket full of water. Look how fast that's draining it. Look at that. This is definitely a thumbs up.